Well, the next thing broke, and that is this 33-gallon Craftsman air compressor. It says it has a 6-horse motor. It doesn't look like a 6-horse, but that's what it says. Yeah, here we go. 150 psi, 6-horse, 33-gallon. Picked it up for 30 bucks. The guy said it wouldn't get up to pressure anymore. So, there's really not much to these things. So I took it and figured we could fix it. And what I've come up with, take these 4 screws, these bolts off the head. That's as far as I've gotten so far. And when you get to the piston here, you can actually see light through it. You see that? That is a bad piston seal. The guy also told me that, well, he plugged it in for me and it ran. And he said when he turned it off, the thing would keep on running and keep on spooling. He said that never used to happen. He goes, I don't know what's going on. I said, well, thinking to myself, it kind of sounds like a piston seal. It doesn't build pressure. As if there was a pressure, if there was pressure for resistance, this motor would stop a whole lot sooner. But since the piston ring is bad, this thing just keeps freewheeling because there's no resistance for it to stop, which is what I figured, and it's true. So good. Hopefully we get a nice, good compressor, pretty cheap, because I need it. Shortly after I bought this, my lawnmower got a flat. So yippee. I've been really waiting for these parts to come in. And these parts include piston seal. Oh, I got it right here. Let's go take a look. All right, so if you have one of these Craftsman air compressors and you think this piston seal might be bad, this is the kit you're gonna need. K0650. Oh yeah. Good. This is kind of like a Teflon. Let's not damage this. Instructions. All right, here's the piston sleeve. Huh. Yeah, it looks like it'd be fine. Just making sure I'm not getting any used parts here. Whatever, that looks fine. And one O-ring, 2 O-ring. Oh, and a screw. Good. Good. And of course, this nice Harbor Freight air compressor kit, which I didn't have, so, you know, why not? Gotta get the compressor fixed first. And that is going to include something really simple. We're going to put this at top dead center here. A little torque screw. I'm going to take that out, and it's going to take the actual piston off of the connecting rod. Alright, this looks like a T25. Not too tight. Alright, that's the top of the piston. Good. See how that went on there? A little bit of persuasion. Stupid lip. I don't think the new one is a lip. Look how scored up that cylinder wall is. That's why we're replacing it. It only requires a little bit of persuasion. Just kind of gotta tap on her a little bit. Kind of wedge it in there and tap just to get over that. All right, now that that is here, make sure it's a top dead. Yeah, I wish I had an air compressor. Blow out the dust. Just kidding. Kind of just center it on there. So the lip is pointed up. I'm going to use the screw to draw in that seal. I'm sure you can see what I'm saying here. Just make sure it's all centered. There is a little O-ring on the bottom we are going to replace. Now we can check out those reed valves. Whatever. I'm going to replace that seal. All back together. That other seal, I didn't even take this apart. There's the head, and then you got the reed valves here. That second O-ring I didn't use, goes in between these two. And the one I did use between these two. All right, I have not fired it up yet. So let's do it. Okay. Tank pressure, 140. So there, $70 for a 33-gallon air compressor, which runs great. It's quiet, it's holding. Well, until the next thing breaks. The last chapter on this air compressor. Make sure you put this shroud back on. I wasn't going to, and I was thinking about it, and I had an epiphany that this head gets really, really hot as far as all this stuff goes, because compressed air gets hot. And without this shroud, the fan back here cannot blow any air over these fins. It just blows it out and doesn't actually cool the head. So by putting the shroud back on, we will get airflow over these fins. Keep it cool, keep it from overheating, keep this air compressor going longer. All right, that'll do it. See you guys later.